Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes on minimalism and also living with less. So minimalism means different things to different people, like different strokes for different folks. But sometimes it feels like if you don't fit a certain label, then you're not really doing it right. So have you ever thought, am I really a minimalist if I own a car, a big car still, a big home, or nice clothing? So here's the truth. You get to define minimalism for yourself. Today, we're going to let go of labels and make minimalism work for you. You create your own labels. So this first tip is minimalism isn't a competition. So it's easy to start comparing yourself to others, especially when social media is filled with ultra minimalist showing off their 30-item wardrobes or empty homes. But minimalism isn't about who owns the least. It's about how you feel in your space, in your life. So try this instead. Shift your focus to what you don't own, from what you don't own to what you will gain. So more clarity, more time, more peace, more freedom. So forget the numbers and embrace what works for you. The second tip is your version of minimalism will look different than mine. So some minimalists travel the world with just a backpack. Others live in a suburban home with kids and pets. Both minimalists, they can have that lifestyle. Minimalism isn't just one size fits all. It's about aligning the space with your values. So you might want to ask yourself, what do I want my version of minimalism to look like? Forget what works for others. Focus on what feels right for you. And the third tip is you can be a minimalist and still have stuff. So there's a myth that minimalists don't care about material things, but minimalism isn't about rejecting all stuff. It's about keeping the right stuff. So loving fashion, books, or art doesn't mean you are failing at minimalism. So instead of owning less as the goal, focus on owning better. Keep what brings you true value in your life and let go of what doesn't. And my tip number 4 is minimalism doesn't have to be extreme. Some people think that a minimalist, you have to go all in. With a smaller house, donate 90% of your belongings, or live out of a suitcase. But minimalism isn't an all or nothing concept. Instead of extreme, change, focus on the small intentional shifts. Maybe those things that, decluttering one room or setting a shopping pause. The goal isn't to be perfect. It's about being aligned. And then my last tip is you don't have to prove you're a minimalist. So minimalism isn't about earning something or having to defend something. There's no minimalist police that's going to check to see if you have too many shoes or keep holiday decorations. It's all about how you live, not how you label yourself. So let go of that pressure to prove anything to anyone. If your home, your finances, and your mindset feel lighter, that's minimalism, and there's no label required for that. So there you have it. Those are my 5 quick tips to embrace minimalism your way. Labels don't matter, so how you feel about your space does. So if this helps, like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you need a little more structure as you simplify, check out my decluttering checklist. They'll help you start right where you are. So I'll see you next week. And until then, keep it simple, keep it yours, and please like and share my channel.